All right, guys, here we go. Now I got my chicken. I got it all cleaned up. And what I'm getting ready to do is I'm getting ready to add the Carmi Soul Food all-purpose seasoning, baby. Yes, indeed. You see right there, 1825 East Carson Street, Pittsburgh, PA, 15203. www.carmisoulfood.com is where you can get yours. And I'm going to add this on into my chicken, and I'm going to let this chicken marinate for, I'm going to give it 4 hours. I'm going to give it 4 hours after I season it, and it's going to be lip smacking good. Listen, are you hungry? Check it out, guys. Check it out. Now listen, we got it all done. It's a special blend here. The ingredients, we got salt, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder. There's butcher black pepper, thyme, oregano, a hint of sugar, cayenne pepper, and parsley. And it's all done in a very carefully blended blend and done for you by Carmi Soul Food. Listen, like I said, I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna give this a few hours, and then we're gonna go on back and we're gonna play in some grease and get it all going. Grease, oil, you know, I'm old school, you know I'm old. Cause I said grease, Crisco. Anyway, walk with me, work with me. We're making some soul food fried chicken, Pittsburgh style. Are y'all hungry? All right, you guys. Now I have actually pulled my chicken out after it has sat and marinated. I have floured it on both sides really, really well. Make sure you get the flour all on it because you want a nice golden brown when we're done with this. But I got everything floured. I have it laying here in my fryer, and we are going to drop it into the oil, and we get ready to get busy. I got one question for y'all. Y'all know what it is. Are you hungry? What am I looking for when I'm frying chicken, you ask? Here's the answer. This is what you're looking for. You're looking for golden brown, and you're also looking for them to float. It's just that simple. You're looking for them to float. When they start to float, you are just about where you need to be. Very simple. Very simple. Voila. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I love doing things that I actually am used to doing or accustomed to doing. I fry chicken all the time, but there's always different ways to do it. That excites me. I love having 22 different ways to fry chicken, 22 different seasoning mashups to actually do it by. And today is an extra one added to my little repertoire by Carmi's Soul Food. Listen, let me go get this all plated up, but they look wonderful. And if you could smell, it smells too good for somebody to actually live here. I mean, are you hungry? This right here, Carmi's Soul Food all-purpose seasoning. This is what I actually used for my wings. So this will be my first time trying them here at home. Carmi's Soul Food is actually a restaurant of a friend of mine. She's a good friend. We've been friends since middle school, okay? And you all have heard me mention her, Carlene and Mike, who are the owners. They're a married couple. I love them. They're like one of my favorite couples. But you've heard me mention them before because when I used to host a dinner show, a few years back, I hosted a dinner show, and it was like twice a month. We did it right there at their restaurant. So we just, we've always been a part of each other's life. So this is something new in her life. She started off doing catering. I remember she was catering. Then the next thing you know, she went ahead and she moved on and she stepped her cookies up, and then she opened the restaurant. And the restaurant is just wonderful. And look, it was like hot fire. Like hot fire, the food. And we don't have a lot of soul food restaurants here, so she is the #1 soul food restaurant here in the Pittsburgh area. I said it. I said it. But every now and again, I'll look up, I'll see her on television. She's being, you know, they'll spotlight her on the news and different morning shows and things around, you know, their local. Listen, she does her thing. But Carmi's is the spot. It's the place to be. You come to Pittsburgh, you definitely want to visit Carmi's. The food is good, everything. They sell soul food, baby. Liver and onions. Actual fried skins. You know, you buy a bag of skins. See, I live in Pittsburgh, so I'm not used to somebody just frying skins. You know what I mean? Now, the further south you go, they're like, boy, we do that all the time. They don't do that here. All we know is a bag of skins, okay? You go buy a bag of skins or you buy a bag of barbecue skins. No. I come in, and I used to come in all the time. That's where I used to live. I was literally around the corner from the restaurant. I used to just tip on around there, baby. I tip right on around there and eat. But now it's more of a trip. The restaurant has actually moved from that location. It's a larger location, a larger, lush location in the south side of Pittsburgh. It's on here. Hey, the address is 1825 East Carson Street, Pittsburgh, PA 15203. And that's where she is on the south side right now. But she also has, like I said, she stepped her cookies up. She also has a takeout version of it on the north side on Federal Street. Listen, she don't like, it's my girlfriend. She's about getting the bag, honey. So anyway, the chicken is always my thing. You know, I love chicken. So I said, okay, now you see she actually has her own seasonings. She has this one, and then she also has another seasoning that you can do seafood and blackened recipes. So listen, I'm doing this one today. I'm doing this, and I'm doing chicken. I did chicken because, you know, chicken's my favorite. And I love to mess around with things that I know how to make, like 52 different ways. So I'm just doing a basic fried chicken. I will definitely put the whole, I filmed everything, so I will put the whole recipe onto my food channel, which is Are You Hungry? I will put that on there, so you'll get to see exactly what I did and how I did it. And yeah, so we're going to try the Spiller Boy TV chicken with the Carmi's seasoning, and we're going to see how it goes. I know how hers tastes, but I don't know when I put my to it. We're going to see what happens. And of course, you know I ain't going nowhere without Frank. I ain't going nowhere without Frank. Do you understand? So I'm going to taste it without Frank, because I don't want Frank to be in it when I, you know, get down with what it is that I done done. But yeah, and I didn't do anything else. All I did was straight up Carmi's soul food seasoning. I didn't do any of the extra. I didn't do any of my stuff. I just literally did these hands given to me by Miss Thelma and Miss Patty. These hands, I did these, and I did her seasoning and her mix. There's actually in here, there's salt, there's smoked paprika, there's garlic powder, onion powder, butcher's black pepper, there's thyme in here, oregano, a splash of sugar, just a spoonful of sugar, some medicine go down. Okay, I won't start. Anyway, cayenne and parsley. Let's go ahead and let's taste this. All right, so here we go. We got the Carmi's. I'm gonna do it without my hot sauce to see what it's tasting like. Take them on. Yeah, that boy can fry chicken. Don't play with me. That boy can fry chicken. Watch out, Mike and Carlene. Y'all better watch out. Y'all better watch out. I ain't opening up no restaurant. I'm going to refer my people over to y'all. Y'all better watch out. That boy can fry some chicken. Quit playing. Don't play with me. Don't play with me on this chicken. And it's done. 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 I eat done chicken. I don't play them games. You see that? Done chicken. Done to the bone. I don't play the 4-minute, what is it, 4-minute drop? Yeah, okay. Now we're gonna get y'all some. Listen. Yeah, that's right. www.carmisoulfood.com. That's CarmiSoulFood.com. Get into it. You see it? Get all the way into it. You could take the taste home with you. You could take you a little piece of Pittsburgh home with you, baby. Soul food. South side. That was south side. She's the only restaurant of her kind here. She saw everything. All the dishes that your gram used to make, they sell it. She's all kinds of stuff.